Hey, what up, guys? It's Tyson from AI Talk Bros. Today, we're going to show you how to add images and things inside of GoHighLevel using custom values. So, if you don't know us, we're a conversational AI agency. We use AI to make basically call centers, and we do customer service, we do sales, we do receptionists, all kind of things. So one of the things that we occasionally do for our clients is set up landing pages and things, and just having everything inside of custom values and GoHighLevel makes everything so much simpler. So I'm going to show you exactly how we do that. So the first thing I did was I created a folder inside of custom values called images. So that's one thing you want to do to be able to organize things. Now, the next thing that I did was I wanted their logo. And the reason I wanted the logo there was I wanted the website to auto-populate it instead of manually adding an image every single time right here in these options. I wanted to be able to just have that across the entire website. So what I did is I went to their site and I grabbed their logo, and it's an SVG file. So it has a transparent background. It'll change sizes. Whatever I need it to be, it'll fit. So I grabbed that logo, downloaded it, and then I came over here. Sorry, wrong page. Came over here inside of GoHighLevel. I went to Media. Let me do that for you just to show you. And inside the Media library, I just dropped the image in. Then it'll let you copy the link to it. I copy the link to it. And then I come back to custom values. And again, I made that folder. So in folders, under images, on the logo, I paste the link to that image that I got from the media library inside of GoHighLevel. And as soon as I did that, I just copy this right here where it says custom values logo. And if you have to create a new one for a logo, you can always do that, make a new custom value. Then I jump over here. And right inside of here, you can see I just pasted custom values logo in, and it automatically populates. Now you can do the same thing for many things. You can do this for colors on the CSS side of things. You can do this for other images. You can do it for phone number, address. The ways that you can use custom values is very diverse. This is one of the reasons that we use GoHighLevel, not to mention the rest of our tech stack for all of our AI calling, contact management, post-call workflows, all works really well with GoHighLevel. So hopefully this helps. And as always, if you guys need call center services from AI that sounds exactly like a real human, just let us know and we'll get you set up. All right, have a good one.